Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we'll show you how to pour gas from a gas can into your car properly, simply, and most important, without spilling. Besides this, we'll show you a couple of useful hacks at the end of the video regarding this topic. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Of course, the first thing you'll need is a proper gas can. In this example, a plastic gas can is used, and this is the most common type. It's lighter and more convenient than the metal jerry can, although less durable. The most important thing when buying a plastic gas can is to buy one made from proper plastic material and with a good cap so the gas doesn't spill or evaporate, especially if you're going to keep the can in the car or household for some time. The other thing you'll need is a funnel. The most common type is the one like you see here, so it has a funnel and a long pipe that goes into the gas tank. There are various sizes. Best buy one that's wide enough and with a long enough pipe. This will help in preventing spilling and easier pouring into the gas tank. Also, if you want to, use a pair of working gloves to protect your hands from the gas and the odor it may leave on your hands. Before we start, I would just like to say that the point of all this is to avoid spilling gas as much as possible. When done properly, you won't spill a drop. However, if you do, there won't be any serious consequences apart from the bad odor on your clothes or hands. If it spills on the car, be sure to wash it immediately after pouring the gas. Above all, make sure you have a safe environment while pouring the gas. Do not pour near any open flame, sparks, or else, as fuel is highly flammable. Take all necessary precautions before you start, even if this means pushing the car away to a safer spot. Open the gas tank door. Remove the gas cap. For more inexperienced drivers, always turn the cap to the left to open the tank. On most cars, you can hook the cap on the gas tank door if it's not already held by a tether. Insert the funnel. When inserting the funnel, make sure to insert the pipe of the funnel deep enough into the filler neck. If you look inside of it, you'll see a small metal door through which the funnel has to go through. If it doesn't, the gas won't go inside the tank. Stick the funnel pipe inside as deep as possible. Pour the gas from the gas can. This is the most important part if you want to avoid spilling gas on the car or yourself. The most important thing to do is turn the gas can properly. Lots of people turn the can upright, but as you'll see, this is both uncomfortable and will immediately cause spilling. The way to go is to turn the gas can sideways. Hold the handle with one hand and the bottom of the can with the other. Bring the can as close to the funnel as possible. Also, when pouring, don't flood the funnel with gas. Pour a bit slower and you'll see a small vortex forming and the gas will flow faster. If you're pouring all of the gas, when finished, turn the can upside down and shake it from side to side to get every last drop out. Once you're finished, take out the funnel. Shake it a bit so any gas that remains inside the funnel goes into the gas tank. Make sure that you properly tighten the gas tank cap. Turn it to the right. On most cars, when fully tightened, you can continue turning it and you'll hear a clicking sound. Turn 2 or 3 clicks more, and this way you're sure that the cap is properly tightened. Close the gas tank door. Now for the hacks that will hopefully help. Put a woman's stocking over the funnel. In order to avoid filth getting into the gas tank and possibly causing problems with the fuel intake, you can use a stocking as an additional filter. This hack is good if you use cans for refueling a lot. Filth can start accumulating at the bottom of the can over time and get into the fuel system. Also, this is good if you doubt the cleanliness of the fuel. So take the stocking and simply spread it over the funnel. It will be a tight fit and will hold over the opening. If you like, you can leave the stocking on the funnel for future usage. Oftentimes, you won't have a funnel at hand. One simple and easy way to solve this problem is with a plastic bottle. All you'll need is a knife or box cutter and you can make a funnel. Two ways you can do this, at least from my own experience. Cut the bottle in half in such a way that you make a curve. The point is to get a lip, so to say, at the end of the bottle. This makes pouring gas much easier and with less spilling. The other, perhaps better solution is to cut out a rectangular opening on the body of the bottle. As you'll see, when you insert the funnel, you'll get a big opening for pouring the gas and it will flow at a quick rate. The possibility of spilling gas is even less than with the first method. For the final hack, you can use the gas tank door for a funnel holder. When using the funnel, it comes in handy if you have someone to help you hold the funnel so it doesn't slip or fall out. But if you're alone, try to insert the funnel and then close the gas tank door onto the funnel pipe as far as it goes. In most cases, the door will support the funnel and act as a holder. Here, the door is round shaped, so you have to be careful that the funnel doesn't accidentally slip and that you don't spill the fuel on the car and yourself. It works better if the gas tank door is rectangular shaped. If needed and if possible, hold the funnel a bit with one finger when pouring. So that's it for this time. As you've seen, pouring gas from a gas can is very easy as long as you pay attention to a couple of simple things. Needless to say, make sure to pour the proper type of gas. The most common mistake is mixing up diesel and gasoline. If you're not sure, on almost every car, the type of gas is written on the inside of the gas tank door. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Also, visit us at our website dispairrepair.com where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.